Hi everyone, this is Ronnie from InMotion Hosting and thank you for joining us for another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your hosts file on a Mac. The hosts file is used by your operating system to map an IP address to a host name. It overrides the usual process of visiting a website. This lets you leave an old site up while working on a new one. As you can see here, I have a simple website running on my old server. I built another different version of the site over on this new server, but visiting the site in the browser still takes me to the old site. Let's modify the host file so we can visit the new site directly. First, take note of the IP address on the new server. Now, open your Mac's terminal application. I have the icon in the dock, but you may need to open Spotlight to search for it. Once the terminal is open, it's time to open your hosts file. Older Mac installations use this command to open the host file, while newer Mac installations will use this shorter one here. Since this is a sudo command, you'll need to type your Mac's user password. Please note that while typing, your cursor won't move. Don't worry, this is normal. Hit Enter once you've finished entering your password. We're now looking at your computer's hosts file. We're going to add 2 lines following this format. Change the IP and domain to your site's IP and domain. Press Ctrl-O on your keyboard to save, hitting Return to confirm. Then, press Ctrl-X to exit the editor. Note that unlike a lot of Mac commands, you're actually hitting Control here, not Command. If we go back and refresh our site, we'll load up the new version on our second server, even though the domain is still pointed to the old server. Remember, only our computer is affected by this change. You'll still need to update where the domain points once you're ready. If you need to undo this modification, just open the document again. You can remove those 2 lines, or simply comment the lines out with a number sign, then save after you make your changes. This is good if you're spending a lot of time going back and forth. Saves you the trouble of retyping the IP address. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial video. Check out our website troubleshooting section for more helpful tutorials, and please like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to explore.
Check out our InMotion Hosting Support Center for help with your website. We provide thousands of step-by-step guides, videos, and much more to lead you towards making your online project a successful one. You can find us at www.inmotionhosting.com/support.